And I live up to my name. Yeah, this the boy.
What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I'm here with one of Adam's mystery trunk organizer kit. I ordered it from adamspolishers.com, and yeah, let's get into it. All right, opening it up. First things first. Adam's microfiber wash mitt. I actually needed a wash mitt, which is pretty cool. Got a bunch of the spray nozzles. I ordered the Ultra Foam shampoo by itself, just to air freshener, just to qualify for free shipping. And I got the single soft polishing towel. Looks pretty soft. I also have the 2-pack glass cleaning towels. Got 2 of those. 2-pack microfiber applicators. Good quality on that. Tire brush, really stiff. Start now getting into the chemicals. I got Glass Boost, 8 ounces, which is good. I really needed this. Undercarriage spray. Let's see how that smells. I've been hearing good things about how this smells, and it smells like grape. It smells amazing. What's next? Odor neutralizer. Let's see how this smells. Smells like Febreze, which is pretty good. And I'm gonna be doing the price at the end for all these products. H2O Garden Gloss. Now this smells, if you ever smelled Gain and if you ever have clean smelling clothes, you know exactly what that smells like. You got your all-purpose cleaner. Eco all-purpose cleaner, sorry. That does not a pleasant smell. I don't know. It's not appealing. You got glass cleaner. Smells like glass cleaner. I really wanted this Ultra Foam shampoo. I wanted to try it out. It's my first time ordering Adams. I am actually, wow, that smells like grape. It smells amazing. But I was so excited. I was really hoping to get this, and I actually did get it. So I'm going to be trying that out. Last chemical I got is the spray wax. Now this is Adam's new chemicals, and they just released that at SEMA. Was it 2018? So about a year ago. It smells pretty decent. It smells really good, actually. And I got an Adams pin. Adams Polishers, quality over quantity, which is pretty cool. And yeah, looking into the box, the trunk organizer. You got your 3 silts or separators. You can close it up now. Got your Adams rubber badge. Pretty cool. Turning it around, you got another Adams badge, which is also in rubber. And overall, it's just pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm excited with the things I got. And alright guys, just did the calculation for all of these products, and it equals to $212.87. And mind you, I only paid about $100 for the Adams Mystery Trunk Organizer. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.
Just in my zone, now close my fingers.